Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Solutions, and in today's video we're going to be comparing two digital wallet heavyweights, guys. We have the Google Wallet right here, and we have the Samsung Wallet. So if you're deciding on which one deserves a spot on your phone, guys, I'm going to break it down for you. So in terms of compatibility, I would say that the Google Wallet, it works on both Android and iOS devices, which gives it broader accessibility. While Samsung Wallet, guys, it's only accessible to, it's exclusive to Samsung devices basically. So you'll need a Galaxy phone to actually use it. So the winner in terms of this criteria is Google Wallet because it's very versatile. And in terms of features, guys, look. In terms of features, Google Wallet lets you store payment cards, transit passes, loyalty cards, event tickets, and even digital IDs in some regions. And it also integrates seamlessly with Google Pay for contactless payments. While Samsung Pay, guys, Samsung Pay, it combines payment options with features like boarding passes, digital card keys, and crypto wallet management, making it a multifunctional tool for Samsung users. So the winner in terms of these features, I would say Samsung Wallet if you're a Samsung user, and Google Wallet for everybody else. Now, in terms of security, both wallets offer robust security. They have encryption, they have biometric authentication. But Samsung Wallet, guys, Samsung Wallet takes it up a notch, okay, with its Samsung Knox feature, which basically provides you with an additional layer of hardware level security. But don't worry, guys, Google Wallet also ensures secure transactions and encryption, but I know it doesn't have the exact same dedicated hardware security, okay? So the winner for this criteria for security, I would say it's Samsung Wallet. If you're a security enthusiast, then go for Samsung Wallet, okay? Now, in terms of ease of use, guys, look at this. Look at Google Wallet. It has a simple interface, and it's widely accessible, widely available, makes it easier to integrate into daily life. Now, Samsung Wallet, it is equally intuitive, but you require a Galaxy device, which basically limits accessibility. So I would honestly say for this one, for ease of use, it's Google Wallet, guys, for ease of use across many devices. Now, in terms of ecosystem integration, if you're a Google ecosystem user, then Google Wallet, guys, is a no-brainer, okay? It's a no-brainer because it ties in seamlessly with Google Pay, Gmail, and other services. But if you're a Samsung user, well, you want to go for Samsung Wallet, of course, because it shines by integrating with Samsung Pay, SmartThings, and other Galaxy exclusive features. So for this one, for ecosystem integration, I would say it's a tie. It depends on your ecosystem, okay? So the final verdict, guys, I would say if you want a broad compatibility, simplicity, and you're not tied to a specific brand, guys, Google Wallet is the way to go. But if you're a Samsung user who's looking for extra features like car keys and crypto management, then Samsung Wallet wins. And that's it, guys, for the comparison. Let me know in the comments, guys, which wallet you're going to be using and why. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification, guys, for more tech reviews. Subscribe to Smart Solutions, and I'll see you in the next one.